Hello everyone, this is a daily update video on London session. Even though we're 3 hours before that session, we're gonna do an update anyways. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow in English. And subscribe, like, comment below your thoughts. Let's go ahead and continue with this. So if we go from monthly time frame, we are very bullish on gold, very strong bullish move without a wick to a downside. On a weekly we are a bit bullish, but weak bullish. I don't know, this Friday, so we're gonna close this day in 3 more sessions. We're gonna close, and if we close like this or a bit more bullish, we can potentially see next week the bullish move, or if we close bearish, we can adjust on smaller time frames. On a smaller time frame, at the moment price is yesterday daily closed bullish, engulfing all the previous 3 days bearish, so it's showing a bullish momentum. However, this can be as a resistance now. If we come up, flip and close above this, we can potentially come to this level here. Because we have this clean traffic to the left side, we can mirror that and we can come and close. But I believe we are too much on a big move for that to happen for a Friday, so I believe we are in a correction, or not correction because we already corrected this move, but I don't think and I don't see that much volume coming to flip and move all the way up here on a Friday. But if it happens, we're gonna be ready for it, but we need this candle to flip to break the previous daily highs for buys, or we can wait for the wick to be formed, wait for support, and then look for buys to retest the high that is made. However, we need obviously to go on lower time frames. 4-hour time frame showing already resistance. This new 4-hour candle is coming to this whole clean traffic, so we're coming inside this range where this high became. Now we are in this block here, block of range, so we're playing around it, and we can look for some sells. 2 hours is, we close below here. Now we need to check around this area, because at the moment for sells is not worth it because the stop loss is very high and rejection zones. Let's go in 1 hour, I believe. Yeah, in 1 hour we have this zone where previously was also resistance, and now can resistance break. Now we can turn up support here easily. So we cannot enter sells now because the range here is very short. What we can do is go again in 1 hour. Sorry about this. Go again in 1 hour, adjust this one a bit, and then wait here for some support to form. If we form some support, we have this clean traffic, we can mirror it and retest the high that we made. If we form support here and then we break support, we have clean traffic to the left hand side for sells till here. But in this range here, I would not prefer to take any trade. We need confirmations here. This range here needs confirmation, this block here. So we either wait here, what price reacting in this zone. Also now we are 3 hours in the London session open, so in this 3 hours market can give us either a support here, and then we wait for the break of that support for sells for this clean, or the confirmation of that support for buys for this clean candle to come up to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. Unfortunately, we missed this clean sell here. This would have been as when we break these lows. Price is in a range, close below the range, break the lows, sell, or our candle formation in 30 minutes. It was. You can see our candle formation here, closed that support, broke below support, stop loss here, stop loss above here, and then take profit. You had this clean traffic to the left hand side till this wicks. That was perfect. perfect setups, but obviously we're taking note of that setups here on our setup, our candle setup formation. We just took a note here, as you can see. We had this marked up here, this setup that we have here. So yeah, we're testing this, but it was perfect, I have to say. Easy to trade and everything. Let's go on GJ. Monthly time frame on GJ is bullish now, finding some sort of support. Weekly is also bullish after previous week bearish. Now we're bullish, breaking previous week high and not breaking previous week lows. On a daily time frame we closed bullish, week bullish after this whole rejection, so as soon as we break this high would have been a good buy, but unfortunately we also missed here. Here in the 4 hour we have our candle formation. As you can see, this candle breaking resistance, closed above resistance, entry here, stop loss below here, take profit, clean candle to the left hand side. We're gonna take this into, we can actually do it now. Let's just take this like here. So we're gonna do the journaling also. GJ time frame was, when was the time here? Time was at after 7. Yeah, this is tricky because we don't trade usually this time. The setup is bull, breaking resistance, previous one was bull. Now we go in the in 2 hour time frame. This is from 7, we go from 7, 9 is bull bear, and then we go to 1 hour, 7 to 9, bull bear bear, and then bull. This is tricky, but this is, I'm not gonna take this because this is very tricky. 7, 9, 11, and then 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock was bullish, yes, okay. Now it makes sense. Bull. It was bull bear. Third previous was weak bull. It has a wick. 4 hour candle. This candle has a wick. And then next candle's bull. Setup was winning setup. And the 2 hour is this one, and then this one. We take this length here. Take this second after, and then that's it. That's how we're gonna go and test this strategy. That's how I take the notes of the data basically. But yeah, let's go back to our, after we break this range. As you can see, in pre-Tokyo session we moved up, we formed some resistance, break of this resistance. This could have been a nice buy here, but not like 17 pips with 16 pips, not so clean, but we, because of these rejections to the left hand side. But anyway, now what we look, we have this support here, and then you have this line here, and then you have this resistance here. I don't think we can trade above this. Yeah, we have this rejections here. If we get to close above, we have a clean traffic which we can trade till here, which is almost 80 pips here. 80 pip range, we can take some trades. We are in a bullish momentum, don't forget that, because this was the previous move. We already broke that one, but now we can jump here. We don't trade this, if we close above here we can check for sells here, but in this big range I don't think it, because we can reject at any point. This range is around 50 pips, so I'm not gonna take any trade in this range. I'm gonna look for sells below here, but safer sells would be below here, to be honest, because here we can still reject at any point. Safer sells are below here. We get a closure below here, and then you have this clean traffic till here, which is like 40 pips, 50 pips, 50 pips range. You can take a trade here. Here is risky sells, here is more safer sells, and above here you have buyer sells for here. But from here I don't think I will take any trade on GJ. As of now, we don't have any clean confirmation. As you can see here, you have rejection at any point, so that's why I'm afraid it doesn't make sense to take trades in this case. Here you also have rejections for sells, but still I think it's more clean because of all this whole range. If you break this, there should be a more impulsive move, a more clean move to the downside here, and then you have potentially come up, retest this whole support, which is 130 pips move. So yeah, that's about it. But for the upside, you can see you have clean traffic. I expect this to be mirrored tomorrow. So yeah, that's about it for GJ. I hope you guys, this video is very helpful. Sorry for my a bit sneaky voice, but it's too late now. It's 6:30 in the morning, 6:20. And yeah, I hope this video is helpful. Comment below any suggestions that you have, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.